Welcome to TWIN BUSCH Germany, your competent specialist since 1997 in professional vehicle workshop equipment. With a corporate headquarters in Germany and 9 other branches in 7 countries, as well as over 40 sales partners worldwide, we are one of the leading manufacturers of vehicle lifts, wheel balancers, and tire changers. Hello, we will now show you the F-150 wheel balancer by TWIN BUSCH. The F-150 wheel balancer has a digital display, a scanning arm to measure the wheel rim's distance, and 6 balancing programs for steel and aluminum rims. A static program for motorcycle wheels is also integrated, but please take note of the required adapters. For the demonstration, we will now balance a wheel with alloy rim using the F-150. Have the proper cone ready. We need the quick release nut with the clamping ring for the alloy rim. Press the ALU button to change into the ALU-S program. 2 depths for the balancing weights are now measured in the wheel with the scanning arm. The first depth is entered into the machine as value A. Then, measure the second depth and enter it into the machine as value B. Now the rim's diameter needs to be read from the wheel and entered. Closing the protective cover starts the determination of the required balancing weights. Now we tape the required balancing weights at the determined positions. Turn the wheel until all the lamps light on for the first position. Then tape the required weights at the 12 o'clock position. The weights are placed at the previously measured depths in the wheel. The same procedure applies to the second position. The balancing was successful. Now the procedure for a steel rim. Select a suitable cone once more. We will now use the clamping pot. The holding pin for the adhesive weights must be turned downwards for measuring. Measure the rim's distance and enter it as value A. Read the rim's diameter from the wheel and enter it as value D. The rim's width is measured using the width gauge. In our case, 6.5 inches. The width is then entered into the machine as value B. The required balancing weights can now be determined. The machine leads you to the calculated positions on the rim. The weights are hammered onto the rim at the 12 o'clock position. The balancing was successful. The fine button is used to show the exact remaining imbalance. A perfect result. The F-150 has a total of 6 balancing programs. Among these there is also a static program for balancing motorcycle wheels. The static program is integrated as a subprogram of the ALU-S program. The F-150 includes 4 centering cones, a weight plier, a calibration weight, a rubber lip, the corresponding clamping pot, a tension ring for clamping without a clamping pot, and of course the quick release nut. A width gauge is also included. Optionally available accessories include the motorcycle adapter, the universal flange adapter for vehicle wheels without a center hole, the 4-hole adapter, and the adapter for light truck tires and van tires.